Alright, here we go. First crank of Dan's Z. What the fuck?
You got it hooked up right?
Yeah.
Obviously not.
Well, you said the red one's fucking over here, right?
Oh yeah. Maybe I don't have it hooked up right now. Yeah.
And it's snowing. Look at that. Woo! Snow! Snow! Yay! We're going drifting tonight, baby. Yeah, buddy. Okay, try number 2. Twin turbo. What? Yeah, twin turbo. Oh, yeah. That, did you see that? Oh, yeah. Nice. You want it to start?
For a second,
You're, these wire guys are hold on. I gotta grab these wires. Because they're touching the fan. Go for it. Okay, one more. Come on, biatch! Oh. We're getting somewhere. Twin turbo, Nismo, nigga, white fan, what? No cool fucking, whatchamacallit, intercooler. Intercooler's right over there. No, wait, over. Oh, wait, intercooler's right over there. Just kidding. Ah. But no radiator. We don't need no radiator. Fuck the radiator. Who needs a radiator? Oh, get him. It's close. There's some shit squirting over there, though.
Where?
Over there.
Right here?
Squirt!
Yeah, I didn't clamp down the field.
Oh, okay.
Hose, so yeah.
Intercooler. It's got a good look at Dan.
Fucking wiring mess over here.
Dan and the machine. Man, machine.
Ready to fuck shit up this spring.
Who can guess what that gauge is for? Boost! Oh yeah, boost.
Alright, let's try it again.
Alright, one more try. Let me grab the wires. Do work. Yeah, I know. I can smell it. Well, I can smell it. Oh, man. Oh, my Lanza. It's alive. Hell yeah.
What you know about that?
Look how happy Dan is. He is so happy. It just started after sitting here for I don't even know how long.
Damn.
Oh my God.
Damn.
We did not do this and it worked. It worked.
See ya?
Pound right there. Hold on. Camera's gotta see the fist pound right there.
That's it.